one.
Get them fucking Nazis out of my territory.
Yeah. Infantry firearm, fire team.
Or you
can be the IL-2 Sermovic.
Oh yeah, I can't join your squad though. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Might be better to just do side-by-side squads. This is pretty cool, dude.
I know.
This map looks better. Like the graphics on this map are better. For Stalingrad! Yeah, like a Soviet block building. Now I see you. Not one step back, comrade!
Oh shit. Oh, I forgot. You can switch to single fire on the PPS.
I'm pushing up with you.
I'm going over to this left point over here.
Yeah, like the PPSH, you can swap to a drum. Like there's a drum and a stick mag. They're coming in behind you. Get fucked, Jerry. Check the windows.
Watch out for a counterattack.
Now this really feels like Red Orchestra 1.
Yeah. Alright, we conquered it, baby. Let's go.
Oh shit, they're attacking the building. Push forward, comrade.
Fucking Stukas are incessant.
Yeah, it's way better without the depth of field.
Yeah, I'm glad you can turn that off.
Oh shit! Oh, they got me! Where's the DP-28 gunner? Yeah, buddy.
Oh fuck!
It's time for Stalin's dinner plate.
Граната пошла!
I got a machine gun cover behind you. Right side.
Hold on, I gotta heal.
They're flanking on the right side apartment building. I can't spot because I'm not a squad leader. Pushing up, giving you suppression fire, animal mother style. Left side of your building, right up against the left side, enemies. At least two.
Fuck, they smoked it, or so we smoked it.
They just had a bayonet fight. Oh shit.
Ammo in here.
Cool. The point just to the left of us too.
I'm heading there now.
Okay, I'm getting shot from behind.
Oh no, wait, we didn't take this one yet.
Пожалуйста, comrade!
Alright, we took it.
Let's
Go.
I'm coming with you. Товарищ! Товарищ! Rheinische! Get suppressed, you fucking losers! Take him out, Pavel! Alright, pushing. I think it's clear. We're conquering. Oh god, they got me! Hit me! No, I hit a fucking friendly, fuck.
Fucking Stukas.
Oh shit, they almost got you. Keep an eye out for ammo. Now I actually need it. Oh, the other thing was the aspirin. If you get wounded, don't forget to use aspirin later.
Hey, we lost that point to back where we were.
Shit. Okay. Push it. Oh, hit me. God, fuck. Pin. I gotta bandage myself. For the motherland.
This building had ammo in it too, I think.
I know. That's why I really want to go back there. Oh, they got me. They're right there. Oh, push up on my fucking cover. Joining your squad, comrade. There's another PPS gunner. Your squad's holding back here. Make sure you command them on your position.
Tank!
Oh, shit.
I got nothing on this motherfucker. Oh, he's mowing us down, dude.
Any guys with PTRSs?
Not that I see. Yes, this fucking jerk off right here. Come on, man. Wait, you got one, Strella. Switch your guns.
Really? Oh, shit. Okay.
I'm saying this jerk off next to me has one. Oh, he got me.
Come on, you fucking Nazi. Oh shit, I got her, fuck!
I'm trying to get to you.
I got it! Tank disabled!
Alright.
Just finish the crew. Not one step back up.
I see another tank moving here.
Oh no, he's back up. They got in or something.
Fuck, he's traversing towards me.
I'm engaging. Where the fuck is that ammo? Can't imagine I have much ammo.
It's up on the second floor.
Where?
I'm coming.
Oh, I see it. I got it. Fucking Panzer.
I don't see the tank, but I hear him.
I know, I see him. I hear him.
Oh, there he is, down the end of the road.
Oh, he fell back.
Fucking Stukas.
He's trying to take out the fucking gunner. Ah, good stuff. I know these things were good at taking out treads. Maybe that'll work.
I think I got an artillery strike in.
He's getting fucked. Got him.
Nice, I saw the body fall out. Let's take that hill.
Alright, let me get my ammo. I want to re-up my PTRS.
Oh shit, they got a 20 mil up here.
Oh shit. Coming. Oh, I'm loaded on too much shit to run. Okay. Never seen that before.
Oh, they got me. I think I got him with a nade though.
Let me know where the tanks are.
I'm coming to you. He's but on the top of that hill. There's a 20 millimeter. Fuck! He's got me pegged already.
I got it! I threw a grenade and got him! Oh no, I can finish the tank off.
You will get the Order of Lenin for this.
20 mil disabled!
We got a pillbox here.
Oh, there's another one! Is there? There's another 20 mil! Fuck, there's two!
Ammo inside the bunker.
I know, the 20 mil there is still active. There's a second 20 mil.
He's traversing. I'm gonna try to flank him.
Come on, medic! Take me out back!
Oh man!
No, right there! Fuck. Spawning with my own fire team. I'm gonna head over there.
Fuck!
This kicks ass. This is the best map yet, you're right. Stalingrad's kick ass.
Alright, I think the 20 mil's down.
Alright, pushing up with my squad.
Motherfucker!
Get on the 20 mil! Take out the fucking Stukas!
I'm joining your squad.
Oh, they're coming up close. Fuck.
Come back up that bloody fucking hill.
I'm coming to the other 20 mil.
Alright, we're conquering. Get them fucking Stukas, Frankie!
One hit! There's infantrymen shooting me. Fuck. Fuck is a plane? They're in this fucking apartment building I'm shooting at. They're all over. I'm trying to level the apartment building.
Fuck, I do not want to go across this courtyard.
Stuka wounded!
Our guys are moving up, I'm going!
I'm trying to take out the Stuka. I'm focusing on that.
Я под огнем!
Come on, you pieces of shit!
Я под огнем!
Fuck! Stuka's not making it easy.
I flanked them! It looks like the...
Trying to give you some 20 mil cover.
I'm trying to get to the capture point. We're taking it, baby!
What's that fucking Stuka? Make it fucking easy to hit him.
Come on, boys, get in here!
Yeah, fuck it, I'm just coming. It's deep. DP28 time!
Прикрывающий огонь! Я под огнем!
I'm with you, I'm with you, I'm with you.
We're right down this hallway.
Oh god, I didn't get him.
Hello, honey. Emma's in the room.
Hey.
Hi.
Pushing across this plaza.
I'm scared, Eddie.
I like the DP28.
Yeah, they got some good gun handling.
I know.
I'm heading to the next capture point.
Yep, I'm heading there too.
I'm right behind you.
Атакуйте эту позицию!
What?
Get on the left flank with the gun.
Look at this. This looks... Oh, my God! Oh. I gotta respawn. I'll be coming from
Атакуйте эту
a
позицию!
distance.
Fucking Stuka's straight for me.
Motherfucker. We got a heavy MG in this building.
I see him.
I'm gonna try to take him out.
I'm putting down on him. Laying down fire on him.
I think I got
Oh
him.
my God! He almost dropped a bomb in my fucking pocket.
Jerk off radioman was trying to call in artillery on us. I got him. Where you
Push
at?
into your building. Push into your building.
We're conquering. We're conquering. Oh, fuck. I'm right on you.
Behind us where I'm shooting. Let me reload.
Ah, they got me.
Атакуйте
I'm
эту
still in your
позицию!
squad.
Защищайте эту позицию!
Fuck you.
Oh fuck, there's an enemy tank. It's still in the fight.
Shit.
Граната!
I switched to the PTRS gun. I'm far away, but I'm trying to get there.
They're out. The crew's out. But the machine gun is still going.
Yeah, I know, but I switched away from him.
He's traversing.
Батарея!
Nice!
Got him. I got him.
Nice. I was right there. Where the hell are you? Oh, right here.
On this guy.
Отличный выстрел!
I'm gonna try and destroy it completely. It seems like occasionally we'll recrew it.
Я перезаряжаюсь!
Maybe from the rear. Giggity.
Так, перезаряд!
That looks critical. That was red that time. I think red means it's destroyed completely.
All right, let's head to that next take point.
Перезаряд!
Our boys are moving in.
Unless I'm indoors, I actually like this thing on semi-auto.
What's that?
The PPSH.
Oh, I always use it on semi.
But indoors, I mean.
I got the SVT now. I love it.
Oh no, they got me!
We're taking it. We're taking it.
Oh my God, there's a fuck ton under that fucking.
They're coming hard. Giggity. Oh, they got me. They're reinforcing. Oh, fuck. I am way out of it. Oh, we got lots of reinforcements coming. Yes!
Hey! Volga River Crossing.
Stalin will be proud. That was fucking...
We won!
Ah,
We
the
had more
super crash!
casualties. Historic.